In primetime news this evening, more nurses threatened Health Ministry to engage police on increased hostility towards those administering COVID-19 vaccine. Disappointed, Michael Sharp's family and friends condemn threats against nurse who gave him the jab.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Privy Council ruling that 5 members of the PNP must answer questions about traffic guru in open court? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.